Hi friends, welcome to today's video. This is going to be, I believe, the third video in our One Sheet Wonder series. So let's start. So we already have everything cut out. But before we begin, if you guys could give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to my channel to show your support, I would greatly appreciate that. Thank you. Let's get started. So we have this piece of the DSP. This is the Ornamental Christmas. It is 4 by 3. This is just a 1/4 inch bigger on both sides. So 4 1/4 by 3 1/4. We have our greeting, which will be about 1 3/4. I believe you can make it that. And 2 1/4. And then this should be 2 by 2 1/2. And then we have our card base of real red. And then we have this little scrap that we're going to be using too, that we cut out of the One Sheet Wonder. If you guys haven't seen my One Sheet Wonder shorts on how I cut it, then refer back to those so you guys know all the measurements and all the different cutouts that we made. And then I have this little embellishment too. Okay, so let's start adhering everything together. How's everybody doing? It's almost Thanksgiving time, and here, starting today actually, the weather's going to cool down quite a bit. So I'm very excited for that. And I have stuff in my garden growing. It's just a very awesome time right now. And then I'm not gonna adhere this down all the way. I do this mistake a lot, adhering everything down before I can get it where it needs to go, like embellishments. But this little piece, I'm just gonna fold in half. I use my nail to score it. Might take off a little bit of my nail polish, but that's okay, because I don't have my bone folder handy. And then we're just gonna clip that on the side here as like a little embellishment. I think she had it actually inside. Yeah. Like that. And she called this an embellishment in itself because it just adds a fun little added design that we don't usually use, right? We don't usually use pattern paper as our little embellishments. So that was a really cute idea, I thought. We're just gonna have it stick out a little bit, and then not going down all the way too. There we go. Let's press that down good. And that was just that little strip cut, folded in half. And then we have a Merry Christmas sentiment. And this is from that Ornamental Christmas set also. You guys can't tell, it's one of my favorite ones. Next one up is going to be the traditional Christmas. I love the just traditional Christmas colors. Okay, so now let's adhere this guy now. And again, I'm having this open like that. Just something a little bit different. There we go. And we will adhere our sentiment down. But not to forget this guy first. So we're gonna center it like this, and then I'm gonna put this guy up here in the corner. So before we set that down, I'm gonna get some glue on this guy. Oop. That might be too much glue. Another really good way to get glue on your small embellishments like this is a, what are they called? The little daubers. You can use one specifically for glue. You can just kind of dab it on there. We're gonna place that right there. And this guy right on top. There we go. And this is our finished card. So some other things that you guys can do, if you have an embossing folder, you can emboss the background, make it a little bit bigger, and emboss this top layer here. Or you could always stamp on it, just so it kind of takes away some of the plainness. But I really like it just like this. What do you guys think? I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for joining me, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye for now, friends.